Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to send USDT to Tonkeeper wallet. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Tonkeeper application. After you open your application, you'll have to select the wallet in which you transfer the USDTs. So I'm going to select wallet 1 here. Now scroll down at the page and click on the USDT option. When you click on USDT, this is going to open this page. Now on this page, you'll have to click on the receive button at the top. When you click on receive, you will get a scanner and a copy button below it. So this is your Tonkeeper's wallet address. And in order to receive any USDT, you'll have to just copy this code and share the code with person you want to receive the USDT from. You can also screenshot this QR code on your screen and then navigate to another application from which you can send USDT and enter this address that we just copied from here in the wallet address for Tonkeeper. And by doing that, you can successfully send USDT to Tonkeeper. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.